Hey there, flavor lovers, ready to take a delicious journey to the great white north. From Foodie, filed high with the melty cheese curds, to rich butters, tarts that melt in your mouth. Today we are bringing the heart of Canada straight into your kitchen. Whether you are a kitchen novice or just looking for something new, these easy and fun Canadian recipes are about to win your taste buds. Let's get cooking. Hello and welcome. Today we will learn how to make some special Canadian dishes. Canada is a big country. It has many cultures and many delicious foods. We will try making some famous dishes. They are not hard and they taste great. You can make them at home with simple ingredients. I will explain each recipe step by step. Dish number 1, classic poutine. Poutine is a beloved dish from Quebec. It is crispy fries covered in gravy and cheese curds. It is warm, salty and very satisfying. Ingredients you need: potatoes for fries, cheese curds, white soft cheese pieces, gravy, beef or chicken, your choice. So there are some steps you should follow. First, wash and peel potatoes, cut into sticks for fries. Heat oil in a pan or deep fryer. Fry the potatoes until golden brown. Then drain on paper towels. Warm the gravy on the stove or in the microwave. Put fries on a plate. Add cheese curds on top of the fries. Pour warm gravy over the fries and cheese curds. Watch the cheese melt slightly. Your poutine is ready. Use fresh cheese curds if you can. They squeak when you bite them. That is part of the fun. If you don't have cheese curds, try using small pieces of mozzarella. The taste is not the same, but it still melts well. Dish number 2, butter tarts. Butter tarts are sweet pastries. Inside is a gooey mix of butter, sugar and eggs, sometimes with raisins or nuts. Ingredients you need: pastry dough, ready-made or homemade, butter, sugar, brown or white, eggs, raisins or walnuts, optional. Steps: preheat oven to 180 degrees centigrade. Roll out the pastry dough, cut into circles and place in a muffin tin. In a bowl, mix butter and sugar until smooth. Add eggs and mix well. Stir in raisins or nuts if you like. Pour the mixture into each pastry shell, filling about 3/4 full. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes until golden and set. Let them cool a little. The filling will be gooey inside just right. For extra richness, use melted butter. Try maple syrup instead of some sugar for a Canadian touch. Dish number 3, Nanaimo bars no bake. Nanaimo bars come from Nanaimo, British Columbia. They have layers of chocolate, custard and a crunchy base, and you don't need to bake them. Ingredients you need: bottom layer, graham crumbs or crushed graham crackers, cocoa powder, melted butter, sugar, egg, optional, or you can use condensed milk. Middle layer, custard, butter, custard powder or vanilla pudding powder, powdered sugar, milk. Top layer, chocolate, dark or milk, butter or coconut oil. Steps: in a bowl, mix crumbs, cocoa powder, melted butter, sugar, and egg or condensed milk. Press into a square pan. In another bowl, beat butter, custard powder, sugar, and milk until smooth. Spread over the base. Melt chocolate with butter or coconut oil. Spread over the custard. Chill in the fridge until firm. Cut into squares. Enjoy. Tips: use high quality chocolate for a richer taste. You can add a sprinkle of sea salt on top of contrast. Dish number 4, maple glazed salmon. Canada is known for its maple syrup. Here we use it to glaze salmon. The result is sweet, sticky, and full of flavor. Ingredients you need: salmon fillets, maple syrup for if possible, soy sauce, Dijon mustard optional, garlic optional. Steps: preheat oven to 2 degrees centigrade. In a small bowl, mix maple syrup, soy sauce, mustard, and garlic if using. Place salmon on a baking sheet lined with foil or parchment. Brush the maple mixture over the salmon. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes until salmon is cooked through and flaky. Optionally, broil for 1 to 2 minutes to caramelize the glaze. Tips: try this glaze on another fish or even chicken. It works well. Serve with green beans or a fresh salad. Dish number 5, Canadian split pea soup. This is a hearty warming soup. It's made with split peas and usually ham or a ham bone. It's perfect for cold days. Ingredients you need: green split peas, ham, leftover ham bone or smoked meat, onion, carrot optional, water for broth. Steps: rinse split peas in a pot, salt chopped onion and carrot if using. Add peas, ham or ham bone and water or broth. Bring to a boil, then lower heat. Simmer for 1 to 1.5 hours. Stir occasionally. When peas are soft, remove the bones. Wash some peas to thicken the soup. Season with salt and pepper. Tips: you can add herbs like thyme or bay leaf for more flavor. For a vegetarian version, skip the ham and use vegetable broth. Bringing it all together, these are some of Canada's most beloved dishes. Foodie gives you salty and cheesy comfort. Butter tarts bring sweet, soft treats. Nanaimo bars combine crunch, cream and chocolate. Maple glazed salmon uses a sweet Canadian staple on a healthy fish. Split pea soup is warm, filling and simple. You don't need fancy ingredients, most are simple to find. You also don't need to be through in a chicken and kitchen. Just follow each step carefully and enjoy tasting as you go. I hope this recipe inspires you to explore Canadian flavors. Cooking is fun, creative, and a great way to connect with new cultures. Try one or all of these dishes and feel free to mix them up or add your favorite twist. And there you have it, 5 delicious slices of Canadian comfort and sweetness, all ready for your home kitchen. If you loved this foodie trip up north, hit subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss more tasty adventures. Tell us in the comments which recipe will you try first or what twist you'd like to make. See you next time for more flavor-packed cooking fun.